Nigeria's appeal court affirms conviction of 5 Filipinos, 4 Bangladeshi. Nigeria's appeal court affirms conviction of 5 Filipinos, 4 Bangladeshi. File photo, vessel suspected to be used for crude oil theft from a major pipeline in Dutch Island, impounded by the Nigerian Navy at Okirika local government area of Rivers State. The Court of Appeal, Lagos Division, on Monday affirmed the judgment of a federal high court in Lagos which sentenced 9 foreigners to 5 years imprisonment each, for stealing crude oil from Nigeria. The convicts are Axel Jabon, Zahirul Islam, Juanito Infantado, Swearin Allah, Gadala Gadayan, Islam Shahinul, Islam Rafiqul, Sheikh Numani and Rolando Comentador. They were tried by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on a 4-count charge bordering on illegal dealing in petroleum products. The Court of Appeal's 3-member panel, comprising Justices Hussein Mukhtar, presiding, M. Shuaib and Frederick Oab, dismissed the appeal, for lack of merit. Mr. Oab, who delivered the judgment, resolved all the issues in favor of the EFCC. He said, "All the issues are resolved against the appellants. The appeal is manifestly unmeritorious and is hereby dismissed for lacking in merit." The news agency of Nigeria reports that on December 15, 2015 the lower court convicted the foreigners 5 Filipinos and 4 Bangladeshi of stealing 3,423,097 metric tons of crude oil. Justice Ibrahim Buba, who gave the judgment, however, gave each of them an option of an 20 million fine. He said it was the likes of the convicts that give Nigeria a bad name. Mr. Buba found them guilty on all the counts and sentenced them to 5 years imprisonment each, saying that the prosecution proved its case beyond reasonable doubts. He also said that the convicts' inability to prove that they had lawful permits to deal in crude oil further strengthened the prosecution's case. Buba agreed with a prosecution witness who testified that the stolen product was illegally sourced in Nigeria, as the Department of Petroleum Resources confirmed to the EFCC that Mount Asteris was not licensed to deal with crude oil in Nigeria. The judge, however, sentenced each convict to 5 years imprisonment on each of the 4 counts and an option of an 5 million on each of the counts, with effect from March 27, 2015. All the sentences are to run concurrently but not the option of fine. In addition, the vessel, Mount Asteris, and the cargo on board are forfeited to the federal government of Nigeria. For purposes of clarity, each convict is to serve 5 years term of imprisonment with effect from 27th of March, 2015 or pay a fine of N 20 million for all the 4 counts, Mr. Buba said. Earlier, the EFCC counsel, Rotimi Oyedepo, said the foreigners violated Section 119(6) of the Miscellaneous Offences Act, Cap. M. 17, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, an offence punishable under Section 17 of the same act. He said the convicts also flouted Section 4 of the Petroleum Act, Cap. P. 10, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004. The prosecution said the convicts were caught while trying to export the stolen product on a vessel, Mount Asteris.